Today I am going to unbox Blu-ray card glasses. I bought it from Amazon. If you sitting in front of mobile or computer for long time, it protect your eyes from Blu-ray, and it will also protect your eyes from UV rays. So let's start unboxing. I will put the link in the description, so if you want to buy this, you can buy there from easily. So here is the pouch. And here is the invoice. Nothing in the box, so let's unboxing it. No case in it, so it's little disappointed. It is zero power glass. Open it. So looks pretty good. You can see here is the glass. It looks pretty good and awesome. It will protect your eyes from Blu-ray, and also it will protect UV rays. You can see it look awesome and stylish. You can buy it from, I will put the link in the description, so you can easily buy from there, and it look awesome. I just got it from Amazon. It looks pretty good. So that's it. Hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.